जन्माष्टमी आई है, माखन की हांडी ने फिर मिठास बढ़ाई है। कान्हा की लीला है सबसे प्यारी, वो दे तुम्हें दुनिया भर की खुशियाँ आसार। A very warm good morning, everyone present here. I, Sayyam Kapoor of class 7th A, have got the good opportunity to conduct this morning assembly. We extend a very warm welcome to Chairman Sir Shri S.K. Gupta ji, Manager Ma'am Srimati Pramila Gupta ji, and our worthy directors Shri Kapil Gupta ji and Shri Pankaj Gupta ji. We also welcome Academic Coordinator Ms. Seema Guleria ji to the special assembly on the occasion of Janmashtami.
जन्माष्टमी हिंदुओं का एक प्रसिद्ध त्योहार है जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण को समर्पित है। इस दिन भगवान श्री कृष्ण का जन्म मथुरा में हुआ था। देश भर में जगह जगह दही हांडी की प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन इस दिन किया जाता है। ये पर्व श्री भगवान कृष्ण में हमारी आस्था का प्रतीक है।
Now, as you all know, vocabulary improves all ages of communication like reading, writing, listening and speaking. So here I like to call upon Kamal and Simran to add a new word to our vocabulary.
Good morning everyone, I am Kamal Goyal of class 7th A. Today's new word is evil-minded, meaning having wicked or harmful intentions. I repeat my word evil-minded, meaning having wicked or harmful intentions. Thank you and have a nice day.
सुप्रभात, मैं सिमरन मरीना कक्षा 7वीं बी की छात्रा हूँ। आज का नया शब्द है कारावास अर्थात जेल। मैं पुनः दोहराती हूँ, कारावास अर्थात जेल। धन्यवाद। शुभ जन्माष्टमी।
Thank you Kamal and Simran for adding a new word to our vocabulary. Good and inspiring thoughts works as a fuel which keeps us inspiring and encouraging throughout the day. So here to inspire us with thoughts, here comes Rishabh and Ishan.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Rishabh Malhotra of class 7B. Today I will be speaking a thought on Janmashtami. The festival of Janmashtami not only awakens our soul, but also enlightens our spirit and reminds us of the presence of Lord Krishna on earth. I repeat my thought. The festival of Janmashtami not only awakens our soul, but also enlightens our spirit and reminds us of the presence of Lord Krishna on earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you Rishabh and Ishan for such an encouraging thoughts. We always should have the habit to have awareness about our society and our nation, and it is only possible when we are eager and fond of it. Now Ayan and Madhav will come with the news headline.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: the condition of at least 14 passengers of the ill-fated Air India Express flight that crashed while attempting to land at the Karipur airport in Kerala remains critical, Malappuram District Collector K. Gopal Krishnan said on Sunday. Have raised important ideological governance issues such as pilot. Pakistan court indexed former President Zardari in Park Lane corruption case. Donald Trump's pandemic relief orders are limited in scope. Received government approves for IPL in UAE, confirms Rajesh Patel. Today's maximum temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day and happy Janmashtami.
आज के मुख्य समाचार। सोनिया गांधी फिर से बनी कांग्रेस पार्टी की मुख्य अध्यक्ष। भारत में रोज 60,000 से ज्यादा कोरोना केस रिपोर्ट। भारत में कुल 22 लाख कोरोना मरीज। केरल एयरपोर्ट पर दुबई से आ रहा विमान दुर्घटनाग्रस्त, पायलट समेत 30 लोगों की मौत। 5 अगस्त को प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने किया अयोध्या राम मंदिर निर्माण का उद्घाटन। आज का उच्चतम तापमान 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस और आज का न्यूनतम तापमान 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। शुभ जन्माष्टमी।
Thank you Ayan and Madhav for informing us what's all is happening around the world. Singing or listening to devotional songs removes all negativity from one's mind and is one's act of joy, peace and contentment. So here, I would like to call Dhairya for a bhajan.
नमस्कार, मैं धैर्य अग्रवाल 7वीं कक्षा से आज आपके सामने एक भजन निमंत्रित करने आ गया हूँ।
Thank you, Dare, for this wonderful bhajan. Livestock, a health magazine, found that public speaking is a way to increase communication skills, combat fears, and gain confidence. That is all good things. So here comes Utkarsh to give more information on Janmashtami.
Teacher and my dear friends, today I, Utkarsh Gupta of class 7B, speaking some lines about Janmashtami. Janmashtami, the birth of Lord Krishna, is celebrated with great devotion and enthusiasm in India. This festival is celebrated in the month of July or August. According to the Hindu calendar, this religious festival is celebrated in the Ashtami or Krishna Paksh or the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadan. Shri Krishna is considered as one of the most powerful human incarnations of Lord Vishnu. He was born around 5,200 years ago in Mathura to save his father and mother from the clutch of his uncle King Kans. He also played a good role in Mahabharata and propagated the theory of bhakti and good karma, which are deeply narrated in the Bhagavad Gita. Shri Krishna was born in a prison due to the custody of his uncle King Kans. His father Vasudev immediately thought of his friend Nand and decided to hand over Shri Krishna to him. Then Shri Krishna grew up in Gokul and finally killed his uncle King Kans. The actual celebration of Janmashtami takes place in the midnight, and it is believed that Shri Krishna was born on the dark, stormy and windy night to end the rule violence of his uncle King Kans. All over the India, this festival is celebrated with pujas, aarti, dances, the flowing cords of baby Shri Krishna and the rocking cradle of baby Shri Krishna. The actual celebration in Mathura and Vrindavan, where Shri Krishna has spent his life, are very special. Homes and temples are wonderfully decorated and illuminated. Night-long prayers and mantras are sung in temples. Thank you.
As you all know, role play is an effective way for children to make sense of world around them. It sparks creativity and imagination. So here are Sas and Hardik for a small role play.
Good morning. My name is Asas Kochar from class 7th A. Today I am going to enact as Lord Krishna.
श्री कृष्ण ने आने में बहुत विलंब कर दिया। शायद वे मुझे भूल चुके हैं या मुझसे मिलना नहीं चाहते। अब मुझे लौट जाना चाहिए।
सुदामा, सुदामा मेरे मित्र।
श्री कृष्ण, मेरे सखा।
सुदामा, तुम मुझे मिले बिना ही जा रही थी।
मैं आने में इतनी देर लगा दी थी मित्र।
आने में तो तुमने लगा दी सुदामा। कितने वर्षों बाद याद किया है तुमने मुझे।
मैं तो तुम्हें कभी भूला ही नहीं था मेरे मित्र।
तो आए क्यों नहीं तुम इतने वर्ष से?
वो बस ऐसे ही।
हाँ, मैं समझ गया। मैं सब जानता हूँ। तुमने समझा होगा कि मैं द्वारकाधीश और मैं तुम्हें पहचानता भी नहीं होऊंगा।
मैं यही सोच रहा था, पर जब तुम्हारा बुलावा आने में देर हो गई तो मैं लौट चला था।
वाह, मेरी दोस्ती का तुमने यह मोल लगाया। अरे तुमने यह सोच भी कैसे लिया कि मैं अब तुम्हें अपने बाल सखा को द्वार से ही लौट जाने दूंगा?
करो, बस करो, मुझे क्षमा कर दो।
वाह, पहले दिल दुखाते हो और क्षमा भी तुम ही मांगते हो। चलो भीतर चलो, वहीं सब बातें होंगी।
नहीं मित्र, मैं भीतर नहीं जाऊंगा।
क्यों?
देखो, मेरी तुमसे मिलने की अभिलाषा थी और वो आज पूरी हो गई। तुमने हमारी मित्रता की लाज रखी और मेरा मान भी। अब मुझे भी मित्रता के खातिर कुछ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए जिससे तुम्हारी शान को धक्का हो, इसलिए मैं यहीं से लौट जाऊंगा।
सुदामा, तुम आज भी इतने ही बोले हो जितने तुम बचपन में थे। अरे इससे मेरी मान हानि नहीं, बल्कि तुम्हारे आने से तो मेरे द्वार का कण कण सुखी हो जाएगा। हमारी मित्रता को तो लोग युगों युगों तक याद करेंगे। आओ मित्र, भीतर चले। धन्यवाद। इस सब से हमें पता चल गया होगा कि कृष्ण और सुदामा की मित्रता हमेशा मिसाल रहेगी। राधे राधे।
Thank you, Aradhya and Esas, for such a beautiful role play. An assembly without a special performance is incomplete. Yeah, you guessed me right. It's dance. So here, I would like to call upon some students of class 7 to make our assembly memorable.
sir, manager ma'am, directors and academic coordinators. I would like to thank to Miss Kavya ma'am and Miss Richa ma'am who had helped in conducting this virtual assembly. So here we come to the end. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।